Yeah, yeah. Let's try this one. So this position here, I tried this position today. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I guess that we got a signal. Yeah. So, for example, here, this one also. So, guys, um, yeah, I guess that we got this position. So the market is going up. The market is, yeah, I guess the market is going up. Yeah, it's going up. So this one is going to be a green candle, 100%. So yeah, so this one was a downtrend. It was around, I guess this one. Yeah. So I made a win here, and I get that we are getting another signal. Perhaps this one is going down, so the market is going down from this point. But yeah, most of the time we are going to open, yeah, long positions like this one. So yeah. So guys, for yeah, for my students, so this message is for my students, especially if you're not my student, you can skip. So if you are my student, please go back to chapter 3 and chapter 4. The parameters are changed. All right, so MACD, great. So let's take this one and let me continue later. So so this one, yeah, this one is going down, but don't worry. So looking at what's happening here, the market will keep going down. All right, so we still have a downtrend. So guys, back to my students. So my students who have accessed my course in binarystrategycourse.com. So binarystrategycourse.com. Please remember that we are changing and updating the parameters from MACD. So now we are using 20 as our period. All right, this one 20 as our period. So please keep it in your mind. All right, another win. Great. This one. Yeah, this one. All right, as predicted. Yeah, you see, almost lost, but that's okay. Now, next we are going up. All right, the market is going up. Yeah, so till now we open these two positions. Sorry, this, yeah, these two positions. I opened this position earlier, but nothing fancy there. So yeah, this one. So as I was saying, please go back to chapter 3 and chapter 4. Change the parameters to 20. So we usually use 10, but this time something is happening, especially if trading outside of Euro USD. So another win. Yeah, another win. This one. Euro pound. So as you can see, we are trading on Euro pound, or sorry, Euro pound here, and yeah, it's going up. We're trading on Euro pound. Yeah, I guess that we are winning. So if you are not trading on Euro USD, please change the MACD parameters to 20. On Euro USD, I'm talking about Euro USD in the course in chapter 4. So please go back there. Try to watch, I guess, episode 3 and episode 4. Yeah, another, yeah, another win. Great. This one is, yeah, probably, yeah, this one is going up too. or sorry, it's going down. Oh, wait a minute. So this one, yeah, this one is going down. So we open this one too. So up, up. I guess the next one will be going down. I guess the next one, yeah, yeah. This is a little bit risky because I opened at the bottom of the this red candle, but that's okay. We still have it the next candle, so we are not trading this candle, but the next candle. So as you can see here, something happened and the market went straight up, created this uptrend and tried to go back down, but fortunately before the end of the, or at the end of the position, at the end of this position, the market closed here. So we made $516. That's 86%. Yeah, 86%. I was, yeah, but yeah, I'm getting another, or I'm getting my risk management method modified. That's why I did not open over $600 or more than $600. That's okay. Yeah, this one, sorry, this one, or the first one, this one I could have opened with the more than, yeah, more $600. Let's close. All right, the next one is also going down because see, we are getting this downtrend, this clear downtrend, right? So let's open a short position. Yeah, even here we are getting a downtrend, but this one is a clear downtrend. So let's just close it. So we open this downtrend and then this downtrend. Yeah, those here, it was, the market was a little bit risky. It was not clear, but this one and this one was clear. But if I'm getting a red candle, the next one, yeah, the next one, so as predicted, the red candle next one is going up, so the buyers will help us a little bit. So I'm opening with $600 as usual. You know what, this one, sorry, this one, sorry, yeah, let's go it up. But but the downtrend will continue going, keep going. So the downtrend will keep going, but that's okay, that's okay. um let's take this one. Yeah, as predicted. uh Great, great. So yeah, yeah, it was yeah, it was 100% clear. Yeah, yeah, I guess, I'm not sure. This word is going there. You are getting a red candle here, a red candle, because, so if you have already accessed my course, guys, you already know what I'm doing here. If you don't, I hope that you're enjoying. If you don't have access to my course, by the way, if you want to access my course but you can't afford it, in our website partnerrestrategycourse.com, you can access it for free if you follow some rules. So scroll all the way down to in the website. There you will find, yeah, this one. There you will find some rules, and you can complete the rules and access our course for free. So go to our website binarystrategycourse.com, go all the way down, and sorry, I wasn't focusing. Go all the way down. There's some rules. Follow the rules and try to access our course for free. Yeah, so I guess this one is gonna be our last. Yeah, perhaps the last one. The next trade, I'm not sure. Sorry, but I'm not sure about the next trade. Yeah, this one was going down. I don't like to trade against the trend. That's why. So I'm opening here an uptrend, but the market is going down. Yeah, I won here, but I'm not sure. Yeah, sorry. I'm not 100% sure. Uh, let's let's just put $2,000, but let's just wait for it. Not this one. Not this one. The next one. Let me just take a look at this one. If it's proven, I don't know what happened there. Mm. Okay, the next one. So, guys, um, I'm not a financial advisor anyway. I'm not telling you that you are going to make the same amount of money as I'm doing here. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not telling you that this is 100% what you are going to get. So be careful, because trading is risky. You could lose your money. So let the next one, yeah, the last one, I guess the last one, the buyers will try to flip it, and I'm going, yeah, perhaps, yeah, I'm going to open a long position. Yeah, the next one is going to be a long. So looking at what's happening here, MACD, I guess we are having a long position. Let's just hope that, yes. Yeah, so the market now is under the, yeah, so look, flipped position. So change position from below the market to above the market, the parabolic SAR. I'm talking about these points, the parabolic SAR. So I guess that, let's just wait for it. A long position, I guess. I'm trading with $2,000, as you can see, with $2,000. So I don't want to risk it too much, but yeah. So I guess we are not risking it. I'm safe here. I try, and I'm safe here, I guess. But this is my last trade. Yeah, this is, guys. Yeah, this is my last trade. I don't believe that. I don't believe that I'm going to trade with, yeah, with more than this. I guess that's enough. I don't know what we started at, $70,000. We started at $70,000. I guess we made something around 3,000 or 4,000. I don't know. Yeah, perhaps 2,000. So we made how many trades? Yeah, I guess that. Yeah, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we made 9 trades. This is the last one, the 10th. I guess that 10 trades. We still have 26 seconds. And guys, I hope that you learn our strategy. And yeah, we still have. But yeah, guess that euro pound is different from euro USD. Yeah, yeah, yes. Great, another win, beautiful people. So I hope that you enjoyed. I guess that that's it for me. I will close this session here and see you later.